first grade friends. For those of you working in Unit 2, here we have some practice reading, spelling, writing words and sentences with long vowels. Today we're going to focus on EE says E. We have some sounds that we're going to practice as well. A apple A. A safe A. So here we're seeing the difference between the short A sound and the long A sound. E ed E. E jeep E. I itch it. I pine I. O octopus ah. O home O. U up U mule U. U rule oo. CH chin ch. TH thumb. SH ship sh. So I need to move myself out of the way so that you can see. I'm going to read the sounds together, and you can always come back to practice this page on your own. Sound. Sh. Sound. Sound. I. Sound. D. Sound. O. Sound. B. Sound. A. Sound. F. Sound. I. Sound. A. Sound. Qu. Sound. E. Sound. Ch. Sound. Ah. Sound. E. Sound. U or oo. Now it's time to read some words. Okay. You can take this time to pause this page if you'd like, so you can practice the words on your own, and then we can read them together. E, tree. Green, green. Speed, speed. Sleep, sleep. Eat, street. E, three. E, free. Deep, deep. You can take this time again, like I said, to pause the video and read from top to bottom, or read backwards down the rows. Now it's time for us to spell and write some words. So, first word. Okay, let's make sure our letters are going to be large enough. Okay, so here we go. Say teeth. Tap teeth. T-E. There are 3 sounds in teeth. Say the sounds as we write the letters. T-E. Okay, looks like I'm going to have to make this a little bit smaller. And even a little bit smaller than that. Smaller than that. Okay, here we go. Let's spell teeth. T-E-E-T-H. So there are 5 letters in the word teeth. T-E. This E is E-E, the long E, and T-H, our digraph, saying. Okay, next word is week. Say week. Tap week. Week. There are 3 sounds in week. E. And we're going to use a K at the end because when we're thinking about the K sound at the end, typically it's a CK, but that's only when there's one vowel. because this vowel, E, has a buddy, we're going to use the letter K to spell week. Let's spell week. W-E-E-K, week. Next word, say steep. Tap steep. Steep. There are 4 sounds in steep. Let's say the sounds as we write the letters. E. Let's spell steep. S-T-E-E-P, steep. I'm going to move myself. Oh, that's a good spot for me right now. Let's see. Next word. Say greet. Greet. Tap greet. G-R-E-E-T. There are 4 sounds in greet. Let's say the sounds as we write the letters. G, R, E, T. E-E, 2 letters. Okay, saying E-E, but it's 1 sound, so that's why each time it only gets 1 box. Okay, let's spell greet. G-R-E-E-T, greet. Okay, the last letter or the last word we're going to be spelling on this page, say need. Tap need. N-E-D. There are 3 sounds in need. Let's write the letters as we say the sounds. N-E-D. Let's spell need. N-E-E-D, need. So let's go back up to the top here, and we're going to read word. Yes, teeth. Word. Yes, week. Word. Yes, steep. Word. Yes, greet. Word. Yes, need. Let's take a look at these sentences. Go ahead and read the first sentence, and then we'll review it. If you need to pause it to tap out some more words, go ahead and do that. It's important to practice reading on your own. Okay, let's look at this first sentence together. That hill is steep. That hill is steep. And it's awesome if you can read the words without having to tap them out. Okay, let's look at the next sentence. Go ahead and read it on your own. If you need to pause it to do that, go ahead. Like I said before, it's important to be able to read the words on your own. Sweep, sweep up, this mess. Sweep up this mess. And they use an exclamation point, so we say it with feeling. Sweep up this mess. Okay, now there are 2 sentences that we're going to write together. I'm going to give you a minute to try them on your own. So, like we've been doing before, if you need more work time, go ahead and pause. It's okay. It's important that you are letting your brain do this work and that I'm not doing the work for you or someone at home is not doing the work for you, but that you're really using your own brain power to do the work. So the sentence says, plant this seed. How many words are in our sentence? Plant this seed. You have 3 words. Go ahead and write the words. Pause the video if you need to. And then we'll go over it. Okay, so the word plant, and I know that I'm writing a sentence, so whatever my first word is needs to be an uppercase letter. So plant. And plant, finger space, this is this, finger space, seed, seed, plant this seed. And I have my uppercase letter at the beginning. I have finger spaces between my words. I tapped out each of my words, and I used a punctuation mark at the end, in this case a period. So now I have my next sentence. It says, is the pond deep? How many words are in my sentence? Is the pond deep? I have 4 words in this sentence. Go ahead and pause the video if you need time to think about the sounds you need to make this sentence. And we'll go over it. So the word is my first word in the sentence. Because the first word in my sentence, I need an uppercase I. Is, finger space, the is a sight word. We should all know how to spell that. Pond, sounds in pond. And, finger space. Deep, sounds in deep. Deep. Is the pond deep? Am I going to use a period? An exclamation point? I'm going to use a question mark because I'm asking a question. Is the pond deep? And I want to make my voice sound like I'm asking a question. Okay, so if there's anything else you want to go and review, you can always go back in this video and practice the words, practice the sentences, and we'll get together again to practice some more words with long vowels.